Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, we're taking you through the complete transformation of a mobile home that received a full remodel. As we walk through the home, we'll show you the before and after of each area and explain the improvements we made along the way. By the end of this video, you'll see how this older mobile home was transformed into a bright, modern, and inviting place to live. Let's start at the entrance and take a look at the dining and living areas. The wood-paneled walls and antique-style furniture create a warm and cozy atmosphere. However, the overall design feels dated and no longer fits today's modern lifestyle. The space also feels a bit dark, making the interior look older than it actually is. Here's something you don't see very often anymore: a built-in wall cabinet recessed into the wall. Designs like this were quite popular back in the day and offered extra storage without taking up floor space. For our remodel, though, we wanted to create a more open and spacious feel. So we decided to remove it, allowing the room to feel brighter, larger, and more connected. The kitchen has already been remodeled, so instead of starting from scratch, we'll build on the existing design and give it a more modern, stylish look. Rather than making major structural changes, we'll keep what already works and update the details to create a brighter, more functional, and more elegant space. We'll also refresh the storage areas, giving them a cleaner and more organized look that better matches the rest of the home. Next, let's take a look at the living room. This area doesn't get much natural light, so it tends to feel a little darker than the rest of the house. Since the living room is quite spacious, we considered converting this darker section into an additional bedroom. However, for this remodel, we decided to keep the large, open living room. Our goal was to create a comfortable home where a family could relax and spend time together without sacrificing the sense of space. From this hallway, the shared bathroom is on the left, the guest bedroom is straight ahead, and the primary bedroom is to the right. The shared bathroom also features a classic design with warm, neutral colors. For the shower, simple wall panels, commonly available at stores like Home Depot, were used. It's a practical and budget-friendly solution, but we'll be giving it a more modern and stylish look. This is just my personal opinion, but I actually prefer a smaller bathroom like this. It feels cozier and more comfortable than having a lot of extra space around the toilet. Let's take a look at the bedroom. This room is connected to the shared bathroom we just saw, making it a convenient space for family members or guests. Like the rest of the house, the design feels a bit dated and the room is fairly dark. Our goal is to brighten it up and give it a clean, modern look that feels much more inviting. Finally, let's take a look at the primary bedroom. It may look a little smaller than the previous bedroom because it's currently filled with furniture and other items. However, this room is actually slightly larger. Once everything is cleared out and the remodel is complete, the space will feel much more open, bright, and comfortable. This is the private bathroom attached to the primary bedroom. Although the design is a bit dated, it has a charming character that's hard not to like. The layout is also quite spacious, giving us plenty of room to create a beautiful and functional bathroom. That wraps up the tour of the home before the remodel. This is our third mobile home renovation project. Unlike our first and second projects, this remodel doesn't involve any major changes to the floor plan. If you're interested in seeing dramatic layout transformations, be sure to check out our first and second mobile home renovation videos. Now let's quickly walk through the remodeling process. We started by removing the old wall coverings, then repaired and reinforced the underlying structure. Once the foundation was in good shape, we prepared everything for a clean, smooth finish. We're also adding more ceiling lights to brighten up the space. The additional lighting will make the home feel more open, welcoming, and comfortable, especially in areas that didn't get much natural light. And now, it's time for the finished reveal. Let's take a look at the completed transformation. What a transformation! The moment you open the front door, the once dark entryway has been completely transformed into a bright, open, and welcoming space. Feels like an entirely different home. Now let's compare it with how it looked before the renovation. Take a look at the difference and see how this once dark, dated space has been transformed into a bright, open, and modern home. The extra lighting really brings out the beauty of the flooring. We removed the built-in cabinet from the wall and replaced it with modern decorative panels. With the new chandelier, the dining room now feels much more stylish, elegant, and refined. We didn't make many changes to the kitchen, but it feels completely different. Just updating the lighting and flooring gave the space a brighter, more modern look. The new lights above the bar counter look pretty stylish, don't they? We also updated the backsplash to give the kitchen a fresh, modern look. We also made the laundry area cleaner, more organized, and easier to use. The living room now feels much brighter and even more spacious. We could have added another bedroom by building a wall along this beam, but we decided not to make that change on this project. Removing the drop-down wall made the space feel even more open. We also added storage cabinets along the side, so they don't make the room feel crowded. The space feels much brighter and more open now. We also redesigned this storage area with a clean, modern look. The hallway looks much cleaner and more spacious now. The shared bathroom has been completely transformed with a more elegant and luxurious design. It's a huge upgrade from the original basic look, now featuring a refined modern style with a high-end feel. Let's take a look at the bedroom transformation. With new lighting, fresh walls, and updated flooring, the room feels much brighter and more inviting. The wall panels on the lower half of the right wall create a stylish accent. Small design touches like this make the entire room feel even more modern and elegant. We also gave the closet a fresh, clean new look. We also added lighting inside the closet, making it brighter and much easier to use. Let's take a look at the master bedroom. It feels much brighter, and the entire atmosphere has changed. Even though we didn't change the layout, the room now feels much more spacious. We also added decorative wall panels in this room. Plain drywall can feel a bit boring, so this simple feature gives the room much more character. We also gave the closet a clean, organized look. With built-in lighting, it's much brighter, making it easier to find and access everything inside. I think the bathroom now has a much more elegant and luxurious feel. I think the design pairs perfectly with the modern LED-lit mirror, giving the bathroom a clean and contemporary look. We changed the bathtub into a shower area. I think this design makes much better use of the spacious bathroom and gives it a more open, modern feel. That wraps up this mobile home remodel. This time, instead of changing the floor plan, we focused on upgrading the lighting, walls, flooring, storage, and bathrooms to create a brighter, more modern living space. It's amazing how much a home can change without moving a single wall. With the right design choices, every room now feels brighter, more spacious, and much more inviting. We're really happy with how this project turned out, and we hope you enjoyed watching the transformation as much as we enjoyed creating it. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this remodel, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let us know in the comments what your favorite part was. We'll see you in the next remodeling project.